Soal nomor 36. What is the moral value of the story? A. Punishment should be done as soon as possible. B. Law enforcement must be done to everyone. C. We should not jump into conclusion quickly. D. We must not belittle people, especially children. Untuk menjawab soal nomor 36, kita harus memahami maksud dari cerita yang disampaikan karena yang dimaksud dengan nilai moral adalah nilai yang dapat diambil dari keseluruhan cerita tersebut. Biasanya merupakan nilai yang baik yang perlu dilakukan oleh seseorang. Adapun kesimpulan dari keseluruhan cerita tersebut adalah si anak lelaki bisa mendeskripsikan keledainya karena dia pintar bisa melihat jejak-jejak yang ditinggalkan si keledai, bukan karena dia mencuri keledai tersebut. Jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwa nilai moral cerita tersebut adalah jangan membuat kesimpulan terlalu cepat, sehingga jawaban yang tepat adalah C. Soal nomor 37. Is the donkey's left eye blind, his right foot lame, and is he carrying a load of wheat? The underlined word means that the donkey's right foot was A. Very strong, B. Unable to walk, C. Very long, D. All right. Untuk menjawab soal nomor 37, kita perlu melihat persamaan kata yang sesuai dengan konteks pada kalimat tersebut. Kata lame pada kalimat tersebut memiliki arti tidak bisa berjalan. Jadi kata yang memiliki arti yang sama dengan kata lame adalah unable to walk, sehingga jawaban yang tepat adalah B. Teks berikut ini untuk soal nomor 38 sampai dengan 40. Stephen Paul Jobs was born on 24 February 1955 in San Francisco, California, to Abdul Fattah Jandali and Joan, who gave him up for adoption. He was taken in by Paul and Clara Jobs and grew up with them in Mountain View, California. He attended Homestead High School in Cupertino, California, and went to Reed College in Portland, Oregon in 1972, but dropped out after only one semester, staying on to drop in on courses that interested him. He took a job with video game manufacturer Atari to raise enough money for a trip to India and returned from there. Back in Cupertino, he returned to Atari where his old friend Steve Wozniak was still working. Wozniak was building his own computer, and in 1976, Jobs pre-sold 50 of the as-yet unmade computers to a local store and managed to buy the components on credit solely on the strength of the order, enabling them to build the Apple I without any funding at all. The Apple II followed in 1977, and the company Apple Computer was formed shortly afterwards. By the time productions of the Apple II ended in 1993, it had sold over 6 million units. In 1985, Jobs was fired from Apple and immediately founded another computer company, NeXT. In the meantime, in 1986, Jobs bought the computer graphics group from Lucasfilm. The group was responsible for making high-end computer graphics hardware, but under its new name, Pixar. It began to produce innovative computer animations. Their first title under the Pixar name, Luxo GR 1986, won critical and popular acclaim, and in 1991, Pixar signed an agreement with Disney, with whom it already had a relationship, to produce a series of feature films beginning with Toy Story 1995. In 1996, Apple bought NeXT and Jobs returned to Apple, becoming its CEO. In 2003, Jobs was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and underwent surgery in 2004. Despite the success of these operations, he became increasingly ill and received a liver transplant in 2009. He returned to work after a 6-month break but eventually resigned his position in August 2011 after another period of medical leave which began in January 2011. He died on 5 October 2011. Soal nomor 38. Apple II was built in A. 1976, B. 1977, C. 1993, D. 1995. Untuk menjawab soal nomor 38, kita bisa melihat kalimat pada paragraf ketiga baris pertama. The Apple II followed in 1977, yang berarti Apple II mengikuti didirikan pada tahun 1977. Jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwa Apple II didirikan pada tahun 1977, sehingga jawaban yang tepat adalah B. Soal nomor 39. Steve Jobs resigned from his position because A. Apple fired him, B. He signed an agreement with Disney, C. He won critical and popular acclaim, D. His health condition became worse. Untuk menjawab soal nomor 39, kita bisa melihat kalimat pada paragraf terakhir. He returned to work after a 6-month break, but eventually resigned his position in August 2011 after another period of medical leave. Yang berarti, dia kembali bekerja setelah istirahat selama 6 bulan, tetapi mengundurkan diri dari posisinya pada Agustus 2011 karena kesehatannya. Jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwa Steve Jobs mengundurkan diri dari posisinya karena kondisi kesehatannya memburuk, sehingga jawaban yang tepat adalah D. Soal nomor 40. What did Steve do when he was fired from Apple? A. Returning to Atari, B. Founding Next, C. Signing an agreement with Disney, D. Producing a series of feature films. Untuk menjawab soal nomor 40, kita bisa melihat kalimat pada paragraf keempat baris pertama. In 1985, Jobs was fired from Apple and immediately founded another computer company, Next, yang berarti pada tahun 1985, Jobs dipecat dari Apple dan selanjutnya mendirikan perusahaan komputer yang lain, yaitu Next. Jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwa Steve Jobs mendirikan Next setelah dipecat dari Apple, sehingga jawaban yang tepat adalah B.